So what we've got here is an old school Game Boy. Turn it on, nothing happens. I just put fresh batteries in it. So we're going to see if we can figure out what's wrong with the old girl here. Connections don't look terrible. Just a little bit of corrosion on that one right there. Let's open it up and see what it looks like on the inside. Ever seen inside a Game Boy before? There you go. Well, it looks pretty decent. It's almost got to be a power issue with these. Let's clean these terminals up and see if that does anything. So I'm just going to take a little bit of sandpaper here, get an edge of it right in there, and clean up these connections. Y'all remember using Game Boys when we were young? Kids nowadays, they have no idea. They got more game systems they can shake a stick at, endless entertainment on the internet. I had two things to play with when I was young. This was one of them. The other one was called outside. Kids nowadays, they don't ever go outside. My kids never go outside. There's a trampoline out there. They never go play on it. I move it every week and mow. And they haven't been on it in, I bet you, 2 months. And of course there's the pool out there. They're all about the pool for about 5 minutes, then that's boring. I swear the attention span these days, it's just going nowhere. Nobody can entertain themselves, they can't devote themselves to anything. You know, I would be hard pressed to say that a child of today could sit down and clean this out and get it working. But you know what? I'm going to. Because I want my kids to see what I had to do when I was a kid if I wanted to play something. There's no, the internet's not working, reset the router, or any of that stupid crap. There's, oh, it's broke? Well, why don't you see if you can fix it, and then maybe you can play a game. We can't forget having to blow in there to get that cleaned out. Let's see if that did anything. Ha ha, looky there. Boom! Oh, I love it. Well, let's turn it off. Back on again. We're powering up. Cool, so that's all it was. Just some corrosion on the terminals. Well, I'm glad I took it all apart to find that out. But, you know, hey, we got to look inside of it. That's kind of cool. Now we just got to, you know, put it back together and hope everything still functions. These screws are so small and I've got fat fingers. Boom. Bob's your uncle. How about them beans? When I was your age, you know what I had to play with?
What?
I had two things. I had outside and this. When I was 9 years old, this came out and I got it. And it was the best thing since sliced bread. Are you ready for all this? Behold, an original Game Boy. You don't need that. That's a magnifying glass for us old people.
How do you even play this?
Oh, see all these buttons here? There's like 47,000 of them.
Yeah, there it is. Touch us. How do you do this?
A turns it. Either one of them turns it. And then the arrows move it. Hours upon hours of entertainment right there, son. So, no more iPad. This is your new entertainment.
Uh-huh.
How can you not dance to that music?
Yeah, it is some pretty nice music. Stop! I messed up.
Dun dun dun.
How do you work this thing?
I don't know. You can work an iPad. You can't work that.
No, it's old.
What's wrong with being old?
No, I'm just saying this is like an older. This is like an old gaming system. Where? Oh, this is.
You gotta shut it off. Take the game out of it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. It's on top.
Wait. Oh. So do I just like? How do I take it out?
Pull it out. Back in the old day, we used to have to, take the games out and then put other ones in.
To play them instead of just. Clicking.
Sometimes you had to blow the dust out of them so that they would work. This is fantastic.
I have no idea how to take this out. What's this button? What does this work?
You got to use your muscles.
I don't have muscles.
No kidding. You just got a strong pointer finger for touching the iPad, right?
Yeah.
Watch this.
One. What games do we have? These look fun. Which one?
Well, they're all in black and white.
They're all.
Yeah, it's not in color. Game Boy Color didn't come out until I was out of high school.
How do you open this?
Push the little button.
What? What button?
Kids these days. Back in our day, we had to actually work to play. They're so spoiled now they can't even open a container that holds a game.
Stop it.
See the little button right here?
Yes, I tried.
Push it and open that. Whoa, good job.
Stop it.
Oh, you gotta put the other game in the case. You don't let them lay out.
Oh, great.
They'll get dust in them. They won't work. Nope. Label facing out so you can see what the game is.
Oh. The switch of the game took forever.
Yeah, it's so much more difficult than just switching apps, isn't it?
Yes. Just 2 presses of a button.
It's not even a button, it's just tapping the screen.
It basically is. Oh, I blew up. But you still can't take my iPad away. And my computer.
Such decisions.
What is this?
Sounds like you died already.
I don't know how to work this. How does this game work?
So, what'd you think of the old Game Boy?
It was fun.
Yeah?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, you want your iPad back, or you go with the Game Boy now?
I think I still want my iPad.
Sounds about right.
But I mean, it is a fun game. Like there's fun games you can do on it.
In black and white.
Yeah. Please leave a like, subscribe, and click that bell. It really helps out our channel. Thank you for watching my Legacy Garage. Bye-bye.